Hey guys, just wanted to show you today's score. So I was on Facebook Marketplace yesterday and this popped up for sale for $100 Canadian, so like free American. And it said in the ad that it started and it ran, but it leaked gasoline into the engine case when it's running. And I guess at some point enough gas will have leaked into the engine case to bring the level of fluid inside the engine to where the PCV valve starts to suck the fluid and this thing starts to smoke like crazy. So I thought what a fun YouTube video it would be is to hook this thing up to a battery and fresh crankcase of oil with some fuel attached to it, to the fuel pump here, and let's make it do exactly what they said it does for the reason that they sold it, and then let's fix it. So again, the ad said it started and it ran, and it is complete. It even came with the exhaust, guys. There's the muffler, and there's the twin exhaust stacks that the muffler sits on top. The seller was a young feller, and he told me that this was in a small, like a walk-behind style skid steer machine. So maybe like, what are those things? Those ramrod, I think they're called a ramrod, or perhaps a bobcat type style machine. I'm not sure, ditch witch or something like that. But anyway, it's an 18 horsepower Kohler. I think it's a CH18? CH something. Yeah, CH18S. I don't know if you can see that in there, but this is a perfect engine, guys, for all sorts of projects. You could put this in a go-kart, you could put it on a mini bike, you could probably put a propeller on the back and make an airboat, whatever you wanted. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a second video about this next day when I've got some more time. I'm just here boiling a carburetor for a scooter I'm working on, and I'm going to prep this thing all up, get it running, and we're going to try and make it exhibit its fault, and then I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. I've fixed lots of these. Super easy to fix the problem that's wrong with this thing, and we'll step you through it step by step exactly how to do it in case you got one of these at home that blows smoke like crazy because the fuel is leaking into the crankcase. All right, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next video on this beast. Thanks for watching.